Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Whether you're a Jamaican living abroad, a curious traveler, or simply a lover of Caribbean culture, you've come to the right place. From our mouth-watering cuisine and infectious music, to our colorful festival and fascinating history, I showcase the best of Jamaica and give you an insider's look at our beloved island. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the warmth, beauty, and spirit of Jamaica through my videos. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome. It's a chilly morning here in South Florida, and I'm here on a goat farm with Mr. Devon. Mr. Devon,
Just start.
I have a lot of goats.
Well, Nick, not really lot to me, but just even just start. Some of the ram them, I sell them off already, a couple of ram.
Yes.
People want for Thanksgiving and stuff like that. So I build me just really try build herd. I mean, I look the best breed for really start with. Those like the Nigerian dwarf, them seem like durable, can manage like the hard, roughness.
That's the name of the goat.
Yeah, these are Nigerian dwarf and like Nigerian pygmy.
Okay.
Yeah. So they sort of sturdy.
Yes.
Some of them I like this one. I mix with some Spanish.
These are some of the rabbits here.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, look at the horn.
Yeah.
Yes, guys. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Me like boar goat, but me need to go and work with these before you can,
Okay.
go over to what you really want.
Yeah.
We have some more rams around the back. We have a portion, get rid of them. But it's just, as me say, just a small setting because we have problem with land. We don't have enough land.
Oh.
Over where you see they're building the house, that's where we were. That's where a 30 acre. But we have to make way for housing development. We don't know how long this will be here.
Yes.
So, we have to, maybe we have to end up back in West Palm Beach side, Okeechobee, where we have more land.
Yes.
Yeah, so we can really launch out and really do what we want to really do,
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, you're not sure. But who buy the goats from you?
Well, to be honest, we have enough like Jamaican here, Haitian here, that's part of our custom. But you still have your people like that the Muslim.
Yes.
They buy it for the various holidays, and they buy sheep because we have some sheep around the front too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but we separate. So, there's a market here for it, because Caribbean people are here, and our custom.
Yes.
Yes,
oh,
yes. With the goats, yeah.
So you find that they buy like one goat, or you have to kill the goat and sell it?
No, I don't do it like that. You come when we have the ram them like I run back. I still about 3 of them are so leave run back. You pint on the one you want, and the price is right with everybody. Yeah. We have people here where dress it. I'm still learning that aspect of it. Yeah, so that's how but we don't really kill.
Dress it, what you mean?
You kill it. I mean, you skin it.
Oh.
You open it, you quarter it up, and stuff like that.
Okay.
And for like us Jamaicans, some people want the head, you want the foot and certain part for boil,
Yes.
You manage water. Yes.
Yes, so you sell it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. How long you been in the goat business?
No, me just give me about 2 months.
Oh, you
just started it and say, boy,
okay.
Me need for, branch out because this is really people here mainly plant vegetable, callallows and stuff like that. Now with winter coming on, you're gonna have, your winter vegetables. Yeah. This is a harmless goat. It's only big. Yes, it look like that, but he will come to check you out. But he's harmless.
Yeah.
She's harmless, very harmless. Okay. Don't be afraid of her size.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you plan to stay in this business and
yes, I like this. I'm going out, definitely so. Move over to other breeds of goat. We just look on the durability of them, really the direction to move, and you can't really stack enough yet because we don't really have the land space, but as many as possible.
Yes.
And we mainly want to go like I want to do rams.
Rams.
So maybe I just
Rammy.
yeah, your you buy them, you know, fatten them, and
Yes.
get rid of them when the time
Yes.
comes, because people want it. The market is there for that.
Correct.
So,
Yes.
mhm.
Yes. Mr. Devon, if people are watching and they want to buy a goat from you or anything, how would they reach you?
All right, we are located right now at 121 Southwest Terrace.
121
Southwest Terrace, Orange Drive, Davy.
Orange Drive, Davy.
Yeah, this is a farming area. Although, as I tell you that, a large piece, about 30 acres over there,
Yes.
and it has been sold and like rezoned for housing. So, as you said,
Yes.
we are just here until we don't know when this piece will be going, if it will be going.
Yes.
You know, but as
Yes.
farmers, you know, we have to just proactive. Yeah, I mean, sometimes some things happen, but it just force you to go out there now, you know, to get land that is stable for your agricultural purpose.
Yes. Okay. You have a number they could reach you if they want to arrange
Oh yeah,
with you.
oh yeah, oh yeah.
Guys, I'm going to put the number on the screen, but for those of you who are hearing now, we're gonna get the number from Mr.
Okay,
Devon.
okay,
If
okay.
you want to reach him for your goats.
Yeah.
And like I said before, this is Davy, Florida.
Yeah. I don't know how long we will be here, but
Yes.
for the time being,
Yes.
this is
So
where we're
at
at.
least if he relocates, you can reach him by phone.
Yep. Just a minute there. I don't.
That is quite a bit of gold.
Yeah, don't know this number yet out of my head, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I'm going to get it from Mr. Devon and post it on the screen
Yes.
afterwards. Mr. Davy, I'm going to wrap up now. Is there anything you want to say to the viewers before we wrap up?
All right, viewers, here we are, small farmer Caribbean people,
Yes.
doing our thing.
Yes.
So, I mean, come check it out.
Yes, check
Come
it
check
out.
it out.
And
Just
support
start
the-
this farming, goat farming, but it definitely, it will grow.
Yes.
And this is going to
Yes.
grow, and you will have all the ram goat that you need in the season. So
Yes.
this farm is for every season.
Yes.
When it comes to goat, Devon is the man
Devon
in
is
South
the-
Florida for your ram goat.
Yes.
It will be here at all times.
Yes, all your ram goats.
Yeah.
Guys, all your ram goats. And I'm going to post the numbers on the screen
Yeah.
because Mr. Devon is trying to find it.
Yes, this is a new number. I don't know it out of my head yet.
Okay. So guys, until next time, thanks for watching. Ciao.